What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be reacting to the worst knife fails that I could find on the internet. So without further ado, let's get into the first one. Alright, looks like we got a guy knife throwing. It's pretty good. 1 for 1. 2 for 2, not bad. Bro's got the Spider-Man reflexes. That was instant. So we got a butterfly knife thing. This guy looks pretty good. Definitely better than me. He's using a trainer, so not very much can happen. Not bad. I'm impressed, yeah. I mean, I hear sirens in the background, so he might be cooked after the video ends, but whatever. He would have lost a finger if that was live.
Ow.
He's pretty good with the balisong. I'm not that good. Let's see. That's the wrong guy.
A Russian roulette routine I was telling you about called Stigmatada. What it is, it uses a knife, 4 styrofoam cups, and a turntable. The knife goes in the turntable where it can spin around, and then I cover up the knife with 1 of the styrofoam cups. The remaining 3 spots are also covered up with styrofoam cups, and then I spin it fast enough that nobody can see where it goes. In a live performance, I might obstruct the view of the audience for just a bit so that neither me nor the audience knows where the knife is. And then I make my psychic selection, and if all goes well... Oh!
There's no way that's real. How would he fake this? Here, let's slow it down, guys. There's no way
make my psychic selection.
He's like, he doesn't sound like he's high or drunk, and if he's neither of those, there's no reason he would do this.
And if all goes well...
Okay, the camera's so blurry, there's no way to tell, but I'm like 90% sure that's fake. Alright, another butterfly thing. Holy. Ouch. I mean, at least that was a trainer. If it wasn't, probably would have gone straight through his hand. But that's, as far as butterfly knife incidents, that's pretty tame. I've had much worse than that. Probably because I use a live blade, but you know. Some old video, so of course it's gotta have the rock music blasting. Maybe I should do that for my videos. Wow. Why would you do that? You literally just cut the stick from the other side and it's totally... It's an old video, so I can't really judge him, you know? Maybe people weren't that smart back then, you know? Maybe we've evolved as a species. In all honesty, I've done stupid stuff like that too. I'm not making fun of him that much. But like, come on, that's so avoidable.
Have they?
Yeah.
Cool. I only have this one. I'm gonna go take really good care of it.
Okay. That just hurts me. That sound of the knife hitting the rock, that just hurts my brain. I don't want to hear any more of that.
Houston.
We have a problem.
I mean, I don't know if that's even a fail, because he obviously knew that was going to happen eventually. I don't get the Karambit hype. Here's one I made like a couple years ago. Like, they're so dumb. Like, what's even the point of this? Like, it's a claw shape. It's like... Rant over. Stuff. I'm guessing it's me towards the end. Oh, snap. I didn't see any blood, so he's probably fine. Alright, this guy looks pretty good. Oh. And this one apparently is a live blade too, so... That's honestly pretty tame for a butterfly knife. Honest, I've had worse than that.
Come on. Now, come on. Wait.
What is he trying to do? Okay, practice on an unsharpened butterfly knife. It's that easy. No, just practice on the unsharpened one.
It's the butterfly knife. If someone ever fucks with me, I'm ready to fuck with them back.
Michael, put out the garbage!
Wait a second. Let's go back. Come on, man. Come on. Show some respect. Maybe I shouldn't laugh at that, but it's kind of funny. Hey, he flipped me off, okay? I can laugh at him. Oh, that looks like it hurt. Like a lot. Yeah, you do actually suck. He's becoming self-aware. That's crazy. Alright, this is gonna be good. Got a nice golden... Oh, okay, this guy looks like he's around my skill level. This is more my speed. Form's not perfect. Yeah, this is... He's not terrible. He's kind of good. This probably shouldn't be using a live blade, but I mean, I use a live blade too. It's not that big a deal. You just have to be careful which tricks you do. That could be bad. Alright, anyways, thanks for watching, everyone. This was a fun video. I didn't put that many clips in the video because they're kind of hard to find on YouTube, but I'll see if I can get more for the next one if this does well. And anyways, I'll see you on the next one.